Hello guys, and today I'm welcome to Cooking with Baby Girl Shy. And if you don't know, this is Basics 1. Well, easy number 1. We are starting with drinks. Okay, you need a cup, and we're making a chocolate milk full. A cup, milk, syrup, last but not least, Reddi whip. Oh hi. Usually people add the milk first, but I add the chocolate first. So basically, add the chocolate first. Now you wanna add milk. Now you wanna add it to like half the cup, not like all the way to the top, but at least. Now we're gonna stir it in. Stir it in until it at least look like a medium chocolate. Usually, if it's not like chocolatey enough, let me just hold on. It should look like, okay, if you see, that's chocolate, so we're just gonna mix that in. Oh my god, why won't that chocolate go away? Okay, so yeah, we're gonna add a little bit more chocolate. Oh my god, that feels incredibly around. Now, shake. There. Last, not least, chocolate drizzle. And that is, and then it should end up looking like this. That is how to make a chocolate frog. Bye.